Hi guys, Jordan from ALNSM Overland here. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. 1. I got a special guest. 2. We are heading to a part of France you've never seen in my videos before. And last but not least, it's all about overlanding. So it's gonna be pretty awesome. Please stay tuned. Hi guys, this is the first day of our road trip and we are actually looking for nice camp spots around this lake. This lake is the Rosen Lake and it's an artificial one. That's because it's actually a water dam for electricity, but despite that, it's pretty awesome. We didn't find a nice camp spot around the first big lake, so we are heading to the smallest one. It's a little bit higher and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good. And right now we just made a little stop because there is a nice waterfall. Woo! And I think I'm gonna go under it. Okay, let's do this! Okay, this is the end of day one. We finally found this nice little lake. His name is Ferry's Lake. And right now we are getting ready for a hot shower and a nice meal. Okay, so we just had the nice shower, and this is my new shower setup with a real portable shower. You can turn it on and bam. This is pretty awesome. So the temperature is dropping real fast. Sky is really cloudy and pretty gray. It's time for us to go into the warm and cozy rooftop tent. I hope we're gonna have a good night. See you tomorrow, guys. Good morning, guys. This is day 2. The sun is rising up, the weather is not that bad, and we got a little problem with the camp spot. It's that you can't see the ladder is not properly set up, and that's because the ground is flat where the forester is parked, but on the side of it it's definitely not flat, so I can't probably set up the ladder, and it's a little bit tricky to get in and out of the rooftop tent. So right now we're gonna take the breakfast, and just after we're gonna enjoy this little lake. Okay guys, do you remember that big box in my vlog number 3? Check this big box! Well, now it's time to see what's inside. But just before that, let me introduce you my special guest. She's my girlfriend.
Hi, I'm Rosen.
Let's do this! Bag, a paddle, so this is the first thing we wanted, both of us, to enjoy the great outdoor.
It's the first purchase that we did as a couple, so it's really special for us.
Let's inflate it
And let's enjoy it. So he did it in 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Woo!
Oh. This is the water straight from the glacier, so
It's really cold.
This is awesome. And now it's time for a little nap. Go. Look at that view.
So we spent a crazy day out. We did some paddle, we did some sport, we went out, we also did a nap. We did so much things. And it's always nice to finish the day with a nice meal. So tonight is sweet salad.
It was very nice to chill a bit for a day.
Yeah. Day 2 was pretty amazing.
Awesome. So guys, stay tuned for day 3.
Bye guys, see you tomorrow. So today is day 3. We wanted to go to the ALNSM lake, but it was an epic fail. Here we are in the middle of nowhere.
So now we're heading to a nice camp spot and we're gonna move tomorrow for a better adventure. This is already the end of day 3. It was a day spent on the road. We tried the ALNSM lake, but it was very crowded. We didn't like it, so we kept going. We just found a nice little camp spot for tonight. We are all alone between 2 mountains. It's pretty early, so we have a lot of time to set up camp and get comfy. That's pretty nice. And Lisanne drove the Forester for the first time.
It was awesome.
It's always awesome to drive a Forester.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna set up camp. Stay tuned. Hi guys, this is day 4. So right now it's nice and sunny, but last night was very rainy. But despite that, the rooftop tent did great and we didn't have any problem with the rain. Right now we're gonna have nice breakfast. I'm gonna check the river down here and see you this afternoon for more adventures. Yeah. So we are following a Wikiloc track and we just stopped to enjoy this beautiful lake. This is the Green Lake and it sits at 1,200 meters high. And this beautiful camp spot was the final one. The next day we didn't lose any time to head back home. This road trip was awesome and we enjoyed every moment of it. The Forester and all the gear did great and it really motivated me to continue to improve the Forester, especially the lighting and the rear kitchen setup. It was also a nice experience for my girlfriend Lisanne because she never spent so much time in the great outdoor living in a car. I really hope you enjoyed this trip as much as we did. Thank you guys for watching and see you next week.